Good morning to all of you, the standard 5th students. Today we will start the chapter 14, the Rani Lakshmi Bai. Open the page 101. Open the page 101. Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi was a brave young queen known the history for her heroism. For heroism, all should know about the Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. Open the page 101. Okay. He was born on the 16 November 1834 in Varanasi. Okay. The Morapant Tambe was the Bajirao II of Jhansi. Name was the son. The Nana was the son of Bajirao II. Nana was the son of Bajirao II. Damodar Rao was the adopted son of Morapant Tambe, which the British refused to accept him as the heir of the throne. Because he was not the actual son, he was the adopted son. Who? The Damodar Rao. Damodar Rao was the adopted son of Morapant Tambe, which the British refused to accept him as the heir of the throne, successor of the throne. So the soldier refused to accept Damodar Rao as their king. The neighbor state have sent armies to invade Jhansi. Rani took the command of the Jhansi for protection. Rani Lakshmi Bai took the command of the Jhansi for protection. The earlier story was the Morapant Tambe was the courtier of Maratha ruler. He was happy because he had been blessed a baby girl on 16th November 1834. Okay. Blessed a baby girl. A sage came towards his palace and told about the child that this is not a ordinary girl child. She is designed to make history. Rani was married. When the Rani grew up, Rani married to Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi. Okay. And she and her husband were married, they married each other and worried about the British were rapidly increasing their power towards Jhansi. To capture Jhansi, the British make a rule that if a died without leaving an heir, his kingdom will be taken over by them. After the death of Ganga Rao, the British refused to recognize the adopted son of his successor. Rani Lakshmi Bai was brave because she fought with British was without any fear and faced them till the last breath. He fought with the Britishers. So Rani Lakshmi Bai asked Tantia Tope and Nana Saheb for help to protect the Jhansi from the clutches of Britishers. Okay, they also supported the Nana Saheb and Tantia Tope was supported Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. The Indians could not tolerate the slavery of the British. They revolted against the British at Meerut in 1857, the first war of independence. They refused to obey the order of the British officers. Bahadur Shah Jafar, the last Mughal ruler who was at that time, okay, declared the emperor of Hindustan, Jhansi, Gwalior, Kanpur, Meerut, Delhi were the centers of this rising. The Rani Jhansi Lakshmibai was dressed as soldier and led her forces against the British. He fought bravely and died for country's freedom of the motherland. Nana Sahib was killed while fighting against the British forces. Bahadur Zafar was taken as the and sent to the Rangoon in Burma. Okay, he was taken as the prisoner. Who? The Bahadur Zafar was taken as the prisoner and was sent to Rangoon in Burma as exile. Okay, the government of India came under the British crown. The sacrifice and hard work make the country independent from British rule. Okay, and Rani and her personality, who carried on the struggle for first the independence. Our young generation feel that pride and courage for the sacrifice they are brave freedom fighters and the colonial power. So it is all about the Rani Lakshmibai, page 101, chapter 14. So please go through the chapter and question answer. It has already given as PDF to the WhatsApp. So it is all about Rani Lakshmibai of chapter 14. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.